Survey sites collect personal information because they need your answers to match you with research studies, but the way they handle that data is what separates trustworthy platforms from risky ones. By the end, you'll know what privacy features to check before joining survey sites and how to reduce the amount of personal information you share. The first thing to check is the site's privacy policy. A legitimate survey platform should explain what information it collects, why it collects it, and how that information is used. Before creating an account, read the privacy section instead of only looking at the reward offers. The second thing to review is what information the survey site asks for. Some surveys require demographic details because companies use that information to find specific research groups. Only provide information that is necessary for the survey service to work, and avoid sharing extra details that are not required. The third factor is account security. Check whether the platform explains how it protects your account information and provides clear options for managing your data. Use a strong password and avoid reusing the same password across multiple survey websites. Another important step is checking communication settings. Some survey sites send emails, notifications, or marketing messages after you create an account. Review your notification preferences so you control what messages you receive. You should also look at user feedback about privacy practices. Reviews can reveal whether users have concerns about unexpected messages, account issues, or unclear data policies. Do not rely only on reward claims when choosing a survey platform. Privacy details matter just as much as earning features. A common mistake is signing up for many survey sites without checking their policies. Every additional account can mean sharing more personal information across different platforms. Choose fewer platforms that clearly explain their data practices. The safest approach is to check 3 things before joining a survey site: the privacy policy, the information it requires, and the account security options. Your next step is to read the privacy terms of any survey site before entering your personal details or completing your first survey. If this guide helped you understand survey privacy better, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and online money tools.